Good morning, students. Today I am again present here, and today is not your mixed class. Today I am going to teach you a story, one very important story, one very good kind of moral lesson. Today you are going to get. Okay, in this chapter, this is from the Unit 4, Step 6. Okay, you are in Unit 4 now, and after we finish this lesson, we are just going to Unit 5. Okay, so today our chapter is what? This is for the class 7 students. Today our chapter is the purple jar. By looking the chapter word here, the purple jar headline, you already understanding your topic. The purple jar, there's something interesting about it. Okay, means this chapter, this story deals with purple jar. Something most interesting is in this story. Okay, you can see there are the mainly two characters. But outside some characters are also that are Mr. Soli and the Rosamond servant. It means here you can see one little girl. Means so cute girl she is, no? You can looking her. She is the Rosamond. Who? Rosamond. Rosamond is 7 years old. And her mother of what? Her mother is what? She is her mother, Rosamond's mother. And she went with their servant one day in the London street. Means this story belongs to the London streets. In that story, you can see her. Rosamond is 7 years old girl. She was walking with her mother. She never gone outside. Okay. So that day, her mother, Rosamond's mother and Rosamond, both are walking in the London streets. And you know, even the small children, like 5, 6, 7 years old children, no, they are just when they are going to the outer world, in the city streets, they must watching beautiful things here. They are just become what? Excited to watch all those things. First of all, they are afraid also, and after just walking and walking, they become surprised. They just become interested. Okay, so same here, Rosamond and his mother is also walking on the streets of London. She saw there many more people, carts, no, bull carts, there wheelbarrows, many more things she saw. And after that, she was just asking the question to her mother. Oh mother, what is those all things are? They are so good, very pretty. She was just asking to her mother. After some time, her mother replied, there are people, carts, wheelbarrows, buses, vehicles, many more things are there. So when she was walking, she first of all saw what? A toy shop. What she saw? Toy shop. Means already you know children are many more attracted with toy shop. So when she saw the toy shop, she told her mother, mom, you can see in the book, they are saying, mom, you can give. Just buy me all things, all are very beautiful. She told to her mother. Rosamond's mother saying, what? You all want to buy all those things, but I have no money. So first of all you told him what is the use of it. Without use you can't buy anything. So what is the use of that things? After you want to buy all the things. I have no money. Then at that time Rosamond becomes sad because she was very small, no? She was just thinking my mother is very bad. No, she don't want to buy me anything. After some time we see her. Again when she was started walking with her mother, she saw what? Milliner soap. In milliner soap it means where what? Many more beautiful flowers are there. Artificial flowers, electrical lights, twinkling lights. In Deepavali we are not celebrated, but decorated our house. Many more things, bubbles, laces. No, many more things are there. So she has again become attracted with that. So she was just told her mother, oh mother, please help me. I want to buy these all artificial flowers, beautiful roses. You buy me all that. Again the mother saying, okay, what I will buy you that. But what is the use of it? You have to first of all told me. Without use you can't buy anything. So now I am not seeing any use of this one. So don't buy that. Again Rosamond becomes sad, her face become like so dull. She was saying, in just her mind I think she was saying that my mother is very mean, she can't buy me anything. Again, when they are started to going there, working and working, she again saw the what? Jeweler's shop. And you know, in jeweler's shop, there are many more rings, no diamonds, gold, many more things are there, bangles. So she again told her mother, "Oh mother, you see here, there are many more bulbs, bowls, there are rings, many more things are there. You can buy it from there. It is useful." Again her mother saying, "But what is used for you? What can you do with it? So don't buy it. I have no more money." Again, when they are working from there, she saw the what? Fourth, chemist soap. Then the chemist soap, you see in the chemist soap, there are many more bottles, no medicines. Some are green in color, some are blue in color, many more colors are there or not? Yes. So that little girl, she don't know about anything. What is that? Only she attracted and wanted to buy all those things. So again she told her mother, mother, what is this? In the chemist shop, you see there are many more flower pot. You can just buy it. I put into the chimney near. It looks very beautiful. You can see how different types of colors are there. Green, blue, no, yellow, white, many more colors are there in the bottle. I will make it flower pot. Again her mother is saying, no, you don't need to buy it. That was not a flower pot. That was a medicine. Okay? Then again the woman becomes sad, and when beside there, she also see what? In one soap, she also see what? Purple jar. In the toy soap, first of all, she what? So beside there, purple jar. One of the purple jar was very looking attractive, very beautiful it was. You can see I am also drawing the figure here. Purple jar. It was a purple jar. By watching that purple jar, she was so much attracted and wanted to buy that. When she was working from there, in her mind always remembering about the purple jar, okay? So again, when they are working from there, after some time, she was working slipshod. Do you know the meaning of slipshod? When something is going to about to shoe, no, that time we are working this way, that is called what? Slipshod. It means Rosamond mother is saying, what happened to you? Why were you just walking like this? Then that time Rosamond is saying, hey mom, you don't know. My shoe is in, due to the hole, some stone is coming to my shoe. So I can't walk nicely. So after nearby, she again was the shoemaker. So with soap, shoemaker soap. And she is saying, mom, you see, I have no shoes. Please you buy me a pair of shoes. And there in the shoemaker shop, there are many more persons are there, crowd of the people. So her mother is saying, okay, wait for some time, I will buy you a pair of shoes. When they went to the shoemaker shop, Mr. Soul is a shoemaker here, and he was just busy in that giving the what? Shoe to the other persons. So they are waiting for some time. Then Rosamond is saying to her mother, oh mother, what are the bad smell are coming? And you are saying it is very good to shoe. Always I can see only black and white. Nothing good is there. And you wanted to buy me this if I wanted to buy the pair of shoes. So it is good. Very bad smell coming out from the shoe. Okay? Then Rosamond mother saying, hey, you don't know, it is the smell of leather. Okay? So it is very important for you to have to buy it one. But you know one thing, in Rosamond's mind, she was still saying, just remembering about the purple jar. Now also she is not forgetting purple jar. Okay? Now also she wanted to buy the what? Purple jar. After that, you know what happened? Her mother is asking her own question. Okay, I have given you one option. It belongs to you. I am not saying anything to you. I can buy you what you want. But first of all, you have to decide one thing. Which one you wanted to buy? A purple jar or a pair of shoes? Which one is useful for you? You have to just, I am just leave that left on you. You have to decide about it. So you just say me. You want to buy a purple jar or you wanted to buy a shoe? Without just thinking a moment also, she directly told her mother, hey mother, only small hole are there in my shoe. I don't want to buy a pair of shoes. In 1 year, 2 years, it easily I can walk. Don't worry about it. I wanted to buy a purple jar. Understand, everyone? Yes, she just told her mother without deciding anything, without understanding anything. She wanted to buy what? Purple jar. And do you know one thing? Her mother just bring a purple jar. First she ordered her servant. We are went home. You just buy a Rosamond for a purple jar. Okay? Then she was just first saying, what, mother? You can buy me a purple jar and pair of shoes both. Okay? I want both things. Then mother is saying, no, only one thing I can get. I shall give you. What do you want? Then I already told you she what told. I wanted a purple jar. After some time, she went home and her servant just coming with purple. She was just very excited. She wanted to prepare flowers also, okay, to put on that purple jar. And when at the some time when servant came with purple jar, she was just so happy, very happy she was. But when she take that purple jar and started to clean it first, no, very bad smell is coming from out the purple jar. And you know, after some time what happened? After some time, that purple jar was changed into plain white glass jar. It means all the color of the purple jar was changed. All the things which are just put in back the sticker of the purple jar, all things are removed. That purple jar becomes white plain jar. After watching those things, the Rosamond was started to crying. Means she wanted a purple jar, but if you see her when she washed it, no, clean it, what happened? Bad smell is coming from out, no, and all the purple jar become white plain jar, okay? And she was now feel regretted. Now she has told her mother, mother, I don't want purple jar now. Please buy me a pair of shoes. That one is useful for me. But you know, her mother is so strict. She already informed that she already warned to the Rosamond that you have an option that if you have to buy a purple jar, if you have to buy a purple jar, or you want to a pair of shoes, that things you have to decide it. Okay? So she is saying no. Now till 1 year you have to just what happened? Just go with that whole shoes, means that time that broken shoes. So she was just feel regretted what I have done. Now her mother not buy her a pair of shoes because she already told about it, and Rosamond didn't listen about that. Okay, so at last, you know, from some time, her father and her brother, they are just ready to go where? Glass house. They want to go to see the where? Glass house. She was also very excited. She has also the wish, one day I will go with my brother and father to see the glass house. But what happened, you know one thing? When Rosamond was started to going out, her father told, where is your shoes? What kind of shoes you are wearing? You don't go with me. I can't take that type of children. Broken shoes children. So you just live in the house. By what saying these things, Rosamond becomes sad and she still have to live in the home. And she was just thinking that what mistake I have done. My mother said right to me. Anything if we have to buy it, first of all we have to know what is the use of it. Without using only by attracting, we should not have to buy the anything. In this lesson we have, in that way this story will be end. In this lesson what we have to understand that the things we have to buy, the things we have to buy from anywhere, first of all let know its use. It is useful for you or not, or only the decorated piece it is. What kind of it is? It is important or not? Here also you see, by the little girl Rosamond was what happened, decided what? She can take the right option? No. She just wanted to do attracted from the other things, or not the useful things. You see one thing, the useful things. What is the useful things for Rosamond? That pair of the shoes. But she choose what? That choose what? Purple, there or not? So in this story, what we know that the moral of the story is what? Father and mother are more experienced than us. It means here the how much we are experienced, that much more experienced than us, our father and mother. They see many more things in their life. And when they are trying to say us, we are just pretend like that we are very clever. No, we are just very smart. But it is not correct. How much we are brilliant, how much we are clever, that time also our father and mother is much more brilliant than we, us or not. So that thing, that is story also wanted to teach us that we should always listen our parents. Even we are going to higher post, even we are very brilliant, our parents is much more experienced than us. Understand everyone? So today in this chapter, only this month, this story will be in. And now let me give you some work. You also wanted to become like Rosamond. Don't become like Rosamond. Otherwise, we have to weep like a Rosamond, or not? Okay, in number. Now homework. Match the words in column with their meanings in column B. Festoons, milliner, exceedingly, disagreeable, worn out, profound, given under marker. Profound, meditation, prevail, imprudent, valve, slipshod. Okay, this side, extremely, very much, a chain, a colored, paper, lights, etc. A person whose job is making and selling romance had not enjoyable, rude, and unfriendly. Existed or was common. Work without care. Not wise or sensible. The practice of thinking in silence. The practice of thinking deeply in silence. Felt or experienced very strongly. Became or made very old or tired. Okay, today only for this much. In your book there are many more chapters are there. First of all, I will give you that homework. Then I will solve it in our next class. So today only for that much. Festoons, milliners, exceedingly, disagreeable, worn out, profound, meditation, prevailed, imprudent, wax slipshod, discerned extremely, very much, a chain of colored paper lights, a person whose job is making and selling women hats, not nice or enjoyable, rude and unfriendly, existed or was common, work without care, not wise or sensible, the practice of thinking deeply in silence, felt or experienced very strongly, became or made very old or died. So today in this class, only that much. Till then, bye bye.